Here's what Charm City is buzzing about. McDonald's has launched a brand new menu, and joining me today is Brandon to give us the latest scoop. So why did McDonald's decide on changing the menu on selected markets?
Well, yes, we wanted to provide our customers an opportunity for greater value and also more flexibility with menu customization. So now, rather than an entree and a French fry, the notion of a meal can be an entree, a 4-piece nugget, and a drink, or an entree, a side salad, and a drink. So we're basically giving you more options at better value.
So what makes the new menu a better value for customers?
Well, across the board, it's now more cost effective. Our entrees now have been priced more efficiently so that you're saving more money when you're bundling your meal together.
Thank you so much, Brandon. I'm super excited. I can't wait to try. And make sure you visit McDonald's for more information. For more buzz, check us out online.